All right, boys and girls, it's time for our sight word challenge for today. What we're going to do is we're going to write the words that I say. So what you're going to need is something to write on and something to write with. If you have a piece of paper and a pencil, that's great. A whiteboard and a marker, maybe a piece of paper and a marker, whatever you would like, I want you to hit pause and go get something to write with. And then when you're done, you can hit play again and we'll play our game. Okay, so hopefully by now you have something to write on and something to write with. I'm going to write right here on my whiteboard with my marker. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to say a word and you're going to write it down. Then I'll show you how I write it to see if we did it the same. Are you ready? Okay, write the word he. He. Do you have H, E, he? Great job. Let's try another one. Write the word must. Must. Okay, here I go. Okay, do you have M, U, S, T, must? If it looks like mine, great job. Let's try again. How about the word no? No. I bet you never say the word no to your mom or dad, right? No. N-O. Did you write it the same as I did? Great job. Okay, halfway there. Let's keep going. The next word I want you to write is there. There. And this one is about a place. I went there yesterday. There. This one might be a little tricky. It's a long word. Let's see. Do you have the word there? T-H-E-R-E. Just like me? Great job. All right. We only have two more words left for this week. Let's try the word by. By. Who was that book written by? The word is by. Okay, here we go. Do you have the word by? B-Y? If you do, great job. You would use this word to sign your story. If you wrote a story, you would write it was by and then your name. One more word. Let's see. Can you write the word away? Away. We hate to be away from you wonderful students. Okay, let's see if you could write the word away. Does yours look like mine? A-W-A-Y. Away. Great job, boys and girls. That is all the words we have for this week. You did an awesome job writing with me today. If you're still looking for more practice, try each of the words again. The more we practice writing them, the better we will be when we read them and use them in our own writing. Great job today.